So if you're just joining us, me and Cari are touristing about.
Yes, we're being tourists and it's so much fun.
Super fun.
Every once in a while it's good to do that.
Yes, definitely. And so we're crossing the street to go see the Lexington.
I do have to add that we are a bit late. It says that it closes at 5 and they're open till 6.
May not make it.
It is about 4:30, 4:40.
And we're kind of hungry.
But let's just see what happens, because I've been wanting to visit this big aircraft. I mean, it's got so much history.
She's been wanting to visit.
Yeah, I have. I really can't deny.
I'm just chopped liver. Remember, I'm kidnapped here. This is
He's been kidnapped since day one.
holy crap! A bird just passed in my head faster than a motherfucker. Anyway,
I thought that was part of the act.
No, that was real, dude. That was real, dude.
That was crazy.
Anyway, we're passing Pier 39 here, or Pier 99 here.
Pier 99 thing.
Pier 99 thing? Is that happening?
Yeah, but can we just drink some of this?
Some of that? Just drink some of it? What's in there, Cari?
It's
Don't matter. I'm not even gonna ask any questions anymore. It's really good. This area is really awesome. Corpus Cristi is beautiful. When you come down here, so many things to see.
But it's nice to
get out
and to see people out and about.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna show you some footage of the Lexington. Enjoy.
Toodles and noodles.
This is what you were talking about. Lockdown of the Lex. Face your fears. Book your experience. Visit. So this is really cool. This is something we want to do. This is a haunted tour of the Lexington.
Yeah, you just get locked down. They give you like UV detectors and, you know.
Very cool.
They overly pretend that everything is happening and nothing really is. But it does have a big history.
Awesome. We'll try to come back for this one instead.
Yeah.
Right now they close at 5, man.
Let's just walk in.
Yeah. So unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to go inside the Lexington right now, but we're gonna walk around. And we're gonna walk around the outside of it. But we want to check out the night tour, haunted stuff. Yeah, the lockdown.
Yeah, there's a couple of little haunted tours here in Corpus Cristi.
Crispy?
Yeah, because it's crispy. Goodness, creamy.
So, Cari, where do we end up going?
We're Blackbeard, bitch.
We're Blackbeard.
When it's a coastal town, you might as well go.
Yes, it is, and it is delicious. Like, I got the Diablo pasta. Cari got the fish of the day, which was a swordfish, and we're not complaining. I got a pina colada.
I try to be nice and go to local places. Blackbeard is one of my favorites. I hate to say it.
Worked out real nice. Yours, dude. You can pet that one. Get your dose of sliminess. Cool. This is my favorite part of the exhibit. This is the sharks. So let's go check out the sharks. Yeah. Yeah. You're like a big kid in here. It almost looks like it's gonna eat one of them, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm like, okay, it's gonna have lunch.
Hello, sharkies. Hello.
They're so beautiful.
They are amazing. This is freaking cool. What? This is awesome. What's really cool is just watching the sharks swim peacefully. They're actually very peaceful. And they got a what?
Sharks have swag.
They got swag, right?
Ew.
That's what I said.
Of course.
It's really cool. The Corpus Cristi Sea Aquarium, that's where we're at right now. And so far,
I'm spoiled. It's not all bad.
muy
I thought it was gonna be
bueno.
better.
Muy bueno. Shut up.
I'm bad. I'm bad.
She's like, oh,
I'm
it
bad
made me feel
kid.
like a little girl again. Anyway, hope you're enjoying the sights.
It's right though. I was playing with the little fishies and I fed the manatees. I mean the rays, the stingrays.
You did.
Yeah.
No manatees.
No, but I was gonna feed the manatee, but they didn't want to come close.
Yeah. But anyways, glad you're enjoying the visuals because they are amazing.
Yeah, they
and
are.
so, yeah, sending you love from Corpus Christi.
Toodles and noodles.
Peace.